Far be it from me that I should sin by failing to pray for you. 1 Samuel 12, verse 23.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Loving Others Through Prayer was written and read by James Banks.
1 Samuel chapter 12, verses 19 through 25. The people all said to Samuel, "Pray to the Lord your God for your servants, so that we will not die, for we have added to all our other sins the evil of asking for a king." "Do not be afraid," Samuel replied. "You have done all this evil, yet do not turn away from the Lord, but serve the Lord with all your heart. Do not turn away after useless idols. They can do you no good, nor can they rescue you, because they are useless. For the sake of his great name, the Lord will not reject his people, because the Lord was pleased to make you his own. As for me, far be it from me that I should sin against the Lord by failing to pray for you. And I will teach you the way that is good and right. But be sure to fear the Lord and serve him faithfully with all your heart. Consider what great things he has done for you. Yet if you persist in doing evil, both you and your king will perish." Loving others through prayer. I don't know where I'd be today if my mom hadn't prayed for me. I don't think I'd even be alive, my friend Rahim related. He was a former addict who'd spent time in prison for drug distribution. Over coffee one day, he shared the difference his mother's prayers had made in his life. "Even when I disappointed her so badly, she kept loving me with her prayers. I was in a lot of trouble, but if she hadn't prayed for me, I know it would have been worse." The Old Testament account of Samuel tells another story of someone who showed faithfulness to God and others through prayer. On the day Saul was coronated as king at Gilgal, the prophet Samuel was also disappointed. The people had placed their faith and hope for their future in a monarchy instead of in God. As the people gathered, God displayed his displeasure through an unseasonable storm that terrified them and made them regret their decision. When they pleaded with Samuel to intercede for them, he replied, "Far be it from me that I should sin against the Lord by failing to pray for you." Samuel's response reminds us that praying for others is a way of keeping God first in our hearts and lives. When we love others by praying for them, we open the door to witness what only he can do. And we never want to miss that. May we pray. Strong Savior, thank you for interceding for us every day. Please help us to follow Samuel's example and love others with our prayers as well. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. How does consistent prayer help you to keep God first? How will you pray for others today?
Artok tangakmal makatakatang lo maklat karangal kalut mo a music at mal kloangarel ang angaringal tamalil morangal ka lo reng srak mal kloangarel music rabe ka club say umusubam la otirk mo ak mal kloangarel music lo reng sangal ka rabe ka club say ak lamotela time el bek club say el di lo reng srak cloud music angal ka eng mokoki langal ka emerald moringa sarel ay kakita bebira sa arelak mal klow ngarela music lo reng sangal kamangivil klow laat rabe club say makot angal kelbek club say lo reng sra klow music amo basaw labatangel a klow music lo reng serengi arulia brain rangal kel mom saul marangul mong mom saul esel bol masaul labatangel ma brain rengi marangul eng mom ring la lo koringiar adam mar atil mar parents rengi ma direk al modiakal sab elo reng sa togoy modiakal sab elungil masub mal ngara school en sab el mo maknita tengerengira school leng saula badengel e aptelula ngara music em namo roida ul soela marngura school ongerul sarela allow the music klol alitak la head egg arangale aptelud angal kal makateket teloreng sak amaklol ngarela music amobl oil ngaringiar ngale aptelud ebl oil dar ngulangal leng brain rengi marngul obreo dim namo masaun mo dar ngulangal ongedel sa rela allow the music a impair concentration teatokor amerikel impair concentration amalokora tululangal ka brain rengi el marail mol momring lom tabat toy mabel kulat toy allow the music atomelia concentration rangalaga mumodiakal salsab elungil concentrate tatoy o molokoringi ngoram saula brain rengi lom daswat toy om tabat toy ongewal sa rela loud music a insomnia teatokor amerikel insomnia malokor ang alak modiakal salsab elungi limit tamadal abol mi iway wen kuradi makikarkar en tutaw malpagisa tutaw en masaula badangel e moraskun masaula badangel e etir masub a music akmal masisi aklisiel el sabel mal masisi aklisiel kar malungil tokoy am music adungil oreng stengil ungil aklungil angrel el sabela ungil elitakle el sum iar ngulaat e oroida perraudar ngul angarak langit tereng e edi seksik taw lusuel marngulaat e direk aungil elitakla sabel al mangelaat e direk ol kliaw lusuel marngulaat lo perraudar lusuel mangway say lungil tokoy am music en vi music o kodel daol at tokoyra al sela alitak lak malo kodel daol maklungela sound lo reng sereng alak mongo kodel daol klungela sound lo reng sereng alak matokoyl ngar alitak asabel ngarial temelir omrelela alak omoreng setial ka debolo loklat kalkirela music e bomadu al malil ta music en morengs e direk dilungila klungela sound del moreng sengi lakabom avik en maring la sa arela music o moreng sertialo e ungala ngala makekare marngara high school e mola artir e mol ko partir dilungila klungela a music ra al selablimiu kamal masaw la blol sabem loreng sertial kadebro loklat el girela akntil maklung yorel akloangaren music.
Bureau of Human Resources Public Notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed bids and proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide an office space for the Bureau of Communications. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by local funds. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on July 2nd, 2025. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. These specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/rfp-bids/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2025-38. Public notice is from June 17, 2025 through July 1st, 2025. Bidding period is July 2nd, 2025 through July 31st, 2025. Bid opening will be August 1st, 2025. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngorolmut, Balgao. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. Bureau of Human Resources Public Notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed bids or proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to assist the Division of Behavioral Health in implementing the Center for Disease Control Behavioral Risk Factor Surveillance System. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on July 2nd, 2025. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available at PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2025-40. Public notice is from June 17, 2025 through July 1st, 2025. Bidding period is from July 2nd, 2025 through July 31st, 2025. Bid opening is August 1st, 2025. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngorolmut, Malagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Bank Pacific has a $100 gift for all Region high school and college graduates.
Okay, I'll bite. What is it?
Open a checking account with Bank Pacific, show us you just graduated, and bingo! We'll deposit an additional $100 into your account.
What about a Visa debit card?
Yep, Visa debit card, online and mobile banking, remote deposit capture, the works.
What about for existing customers who just graduated?
They get $100 too.
Great, count me in.
Bank Pacific, where others put branches, we place roots. Conditions apply, member FDIC.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian CYBER19@gmail.com.
Kadebel subdra kodal, tia kadebel subdra kodal lo tobderingi yatib Angel Sali, ma Auer Belau Lorenzo Edward, ma Isal Tati Alfred, Msudra Aratamam Rasarela Atarkit era Haperoni ka Kajuo Nosme Sera Lui El Gobsingil Ongelol Melbur Arra ma Abdangela Ara Hamorgo Yamopes El Amaldi Lam Lamotrokol Morgi Ratrui Matal Gobsingil Ongevidil Buir El Arra El Dimora a funeral home El Ngara Angat Kibrai Rai ma Kim Sudra Rogul El Tgau Adel Ad Lokiwa Ongalga Matulungalga ma Kablil Erbapel Tab ma Orur ma Uldab Mogli Momange Mongi Raklo Mate Gomakai Sub de Dimotob de Gururiul Ego Man Sulang Sain Dib Angel Sali Werbelau Lorenzo Edward Mais Altati Alfred Debe Subdra Hamaldi Lotobergia Abu Pelau Pung Rangsil Girbel Isaac Sakurai Matulik Chak Kirngasang Adurgroi Postol Rmerig Rungu Ram Wang William Ngirai Kalau El Mukmung Atargidra Justin Ngirang Sil Isidoro Amlosme Erseraturi Melon Mulkopsingil Ongelon Mulbuir El Arra Malwaisem La Motrokokla Hakmaldil Sils El Mo Orgira Ongewalu Tru El Kopsingil Ongewibuir El Arra Didgalat Krang Lungu Edong Mokura Apatanget Edongira Akmate Komakal Subdul Libotob Gururiul Matakov Sulang, Sain, Rungu Ramawang, William Ngirai Kalau. Subdra Kodal, Tia Subdra Kodal, Lultob the Niar Maliku El Sawas, Olikong to Bedem Mongami, Ma Arlul Tarkong Elis, Madrar Garaying Oral, Saalyangat Mruk Yalap, Mother Ab Eli Bisay, El Subdra Bekel at Mammer Babel Taup, Ma Orior Mukmong, Angalgedra Matlap Rumong, El Ngalgala Rumong Ililau, Ma, El Mlosme Ersera, Turi Medel Gobsingil Ongelon Mulbuir El Arrak, Akmedilelam Lamotrokokl Morgi, Ra Ewal Gobsingil Ongewidel Buir El Arrak, El Dimorgi Ra Santos Porha Funeral Home and Chapel. Mga maldil mo swelbe tobder mo omdakra autosongera I blue rabelur ngarmid ma ngarmid ya kim subdra ar yung Benjamin Yopo ma ebid yung Dr. Ulay autobda ma Abbas Paul Oeki ma ebil Abbas el batildes kiomasa lo hacemos subdra edad ma arangalga raw el giukla hememda alim med kaing seu Gidirek Mesudra Roguil Adamarangal Garab Laira ang Rugubit olungit lo se moiti ta alsungmiu memtakaing seu ma Kim Subdra Harangalgelam le wodal at pengat ililaw marangalgelam le tiraw olngel mda alililaw ma arangalgelam le wodal at mokirong osig marangalgelam le he wodal adal merki mongami ma arangalgelayob ililaw Direk spadala arangalgela ngir ora alililaw ma arangalgela harumong ililaw ma arangalgel ongrol yalap ma arangalgel amosbu yalap marangalgel amle eting ilius mrep ma arangalgel aroy singang yalap marangalgel amle ebir rai belau rosgir turong marangalgel ar irikle tiai ma arangalgel amle erangem troli Carmelong ya kukngar kasaw lakim subdra adal par kasaw ma imu Dominika ngoriak luase mo subdra aradat ma arangalka era atmat pap hememda alimeda kaing seu ngar amai yakim subde olngitra ob ad rul bertong ma ob adal dil el dedi troli luase mo subdra adat ma arangalka era ogolang hememda alim eta kaing seu ya ngar bet yakim subda ay olngitra kau eli adri bugel ma hab ekildil luase mo subdra aradat marangal gara hangri bugel hememda alim eta kaing seu osisiu subdra kodal amora aplai raklai era blu rai lolngit subdra kaul tuurmel rani ngira areang ma am asel ebi raklai el modet paules el mokmo subdra aradad ma arangalaga raklai ngusugumam ya le ui rablaira angar matangir yang spadala blu marinor sengel ma direk mala al blu pes el giulul ma ebil hermana umetaro lo hacemos sudar edad marangalga musugumam ya kukngar long ya kim sudra ay adrairik el pastor Albert Maldangsang rubas subdiang ubdei ma chieko yung ma Erika Emmanuel wa se mo subdra edad marangalga med alim med kaing seu yang rarde aki im subdra hakarai ma dilbugoda ma ongotrui el joe reklai ma Sabina Termetet Celine reklai Philip reklai marangalgela aungidreng remogota era atakriu Salvador remogota ma Helen remogota ma legislator Saburo remogota el wasemo subdra edad marangalga ememda alim ed kaing seu ay reak spedek ngakil dumligu el sa oas, ma oli gong tubdeg mongami, ma madad drar gray ngir oral, ma madra apel eli mesay, editialo sisiul gomaldil, amorar mong song gray mariul, ma awir awar ramon pay, Spis Valentino ngirgiklang, ma kiltngu bay udu yumang, ma padul o kata itong, ma arbu Celestino madsol, mukma mosubdra tat, ma arangal ra aikal bekkel goblil, elkmo angalakela rumong ililaw, era matlap rumong, amlamot rokok lakamdilel, el morngira ewal kapsingil ang ewidel buir el arrak, el timorngira Santos for Half Funeral Home, and Chapel, el ngara hablu ray, motrangal el memda ali metakay ngisew, matako mamsulang, erubakil Dios, lomakantang tergidrokui, sain remeligu el sawas, olikong tubdeb kamongami, mar alu letar kong elis. Mutia tara subdra o sisiul godal matia subdra khamaldil tobdringia armong song gray mariur ma auer oar ramon rabey ma spis Valentino ngirkiklang ma ngul rabey udui ma abdul okada titong ma arbu Celestino madsol mukmong targidra matlab rumong amlos mer ma badngela ngaramor kem lamot trokok lakmandilel morngira ongei mlurior el ewal kapsingil ang ewidel puir el arrak el dimo mangamaldira a Palau Funeral Home and Chapel ra etiu klogra tutau el mo 12 etu of del mo omadakla ra angarmidr orior makim subdra bekla dada marangalga ra qabli ra adel gong el wase memed alim te kainga seuri tial el kamaldil esala maki misubdra arat mamra ay galbekl blue ma olle rangar along akim subdra hatsko sato ma arbebirgaw erika maldangsang ma arangalkem ma adiramtawi el talat ka madrang ar ma arbebirgaw ma ramona ingais ma arbebirgaw ma aruat Paulina Skang ma arbebirgaw Maria Asuncion Ndesel Oiwil ma arbebirgaw Adenisha Mariur Ubadey ma arbebirgaw Adelbair Abdul Bautista Sato ma ayat temong ma direkl mesubdra atetsing it Sato Satao Riungel ma ay adra ating Abraham Oshima wase mosubdra adat raplayur ma arangalgela amarrao yakuk keklar ngararde yakim subdra arangalgela amadsol ra optilia madsol luase mo subdra arbebirgaw ma Valentina edesomel ma arangalga aktirek subdra ahana ingais manahane luase mo subdra arbebirgaw direkl mesubdra abasilia temael uerngos direkl mesubdra arangalgela asayangala merilang alwase mkas subdra me medagaing seu ritial albul yakuk ngiwal yakim subdra haruko ngiramagati Pablo Temol Elender ngiramagati Wanda Timarong, Linda Malaitao, ma Valeria Telay, Yamalgayok, ang spadala ikuko okotol, ma angarapay poisek Telay, luase mo subdara edad ma arangalaga, yang esar, ang spadala akamrek Zacharius, Shangaltep, Governor Dwayne Hideo, Dr. J. Lincoln, ma Dominic de Marcel, Umi Jeffrey Anton, Inaria Ngiraybay, Gracia Leonardo, Ertung Liza Watanabe, Norma Etibek, ma Emelda Adelbay, agi direkl mesubdra atnesik risong satol wase mosubdra bebirgaw marangalga, mosubdra obakram u Sydney H ma arbebirgaw yakuk pelurai rai yakim subdra ar lulga ringang mates puikespis Sherman Daniel uodal adra asel takakorulugud sieko Daniel Paulina Erbangsau wasemo subdra arbekladat ma arangalgara atulungalgara asel agi direkl subdra ebirra asmungsong almarta iad ma dirmeu anemari edeao luasemo subdra edad ma arangalga direkl spadala akitang ma arangalga diraibu ma arangalgel eungel ma arangalgel omtilo agi direkl mesubdra aira al iksakas wasemo subdra edad ma arangalga ra ay kasakas agi direkl mesubdra Aya herde ortkoil ma ebir airik sadaria adalbail wase mosudra arangalgela ngir oit ma arangalgela etumeleu ma arangalgela apelelas ma arangalgela ngirait pang. Ya oreor wodal ad maura cordon siska sangabaw ma arangalgem era udu sangabaw senior ma amaireng sangabaw ma arangalgelam le tirarur tilub rabey era tirarur nglod rabey ngiraingas ma atarkara avernis rabey ma arbepirgamiu ma arangalga marangalgela akuniko oikang marsil ma amarta marsil ma arbepirgaw ma epiraroisel nihaina Marcel Kotep ma arbepirgaw marangalgela simako wali Sisinya Ueda marbepirgaw Mercy Mariur Pitraul ma arbepirgaw Lili Oilo kau ma arbepirgaw ma Tamiana ngira tapoet ma arbepirgaw Julia Oip ma arbepirgaw Daria Abrel Mateol Ol ma arbepirgaw Ulang Tamei ma arbepirgaw marangalgela Abing sawas era odal at sendi sawas Lazarus ma armrig uel sawas ma arbepirgaw ma arangalgela amle odal at el mergi mongami ma madra abel tebdek mongami ma adorin ongonungel ma arbepirgamiu marangalgela amokirong osigra wili osiga marangalgela ayo ililaw era iadar mail eliayo marbepirgaw marangalgela agir oral ililaw era tulik Alfonso Diaz ma akray ngir oral ma arbepirgamiu ma arangalgela arumong ililaw era ardialul rumong ma arbepirgaw marangalgela amdaal tebelbot era alosaw otaol ma Carla Siang Sadang ma Glenn Siang Maria Basilius Akitaya Ngeaol Naruo Umay Naruo Marilyn Basilius Umay Basilius Isida Clio Basilius ma Susan Ngirausui Pascuana Pelesam ma arbepirgaw Malik Siska Besong Kel ma Mariko Thomas ma arbepirgaw ma arangalga Domin Mistru Tomei ma arbepirgaw Benita Mesubde Hosiana Rungulbay ma Deborah Mesubde Ngirat Ngir Hiob Mesubde Matthew Mesubde April Mesubde Fred the Sangabaw ma Aumi Sangabaw ma Aruliw Sugrat Sabal ma arbepirgaw Wilson Irausui ma arbepirgaw ma Saturnino Tewit ma arbepirgamiu Dennis Oilo kau ma Arul de Ronald Oilo ma Aruliw John Gabo ma Felix Olgril Minor ma arbepirgaw ma arangalgela Olgril ma Billy Naruo Bruce Ngirgutling Spice Gordon ma Isao Sato Yusim Sato Palent Oigang ma Jenkins Mariur Denisio Mariur Samuel Endesel Silverius Pesong Benio Thomas ma arbepirgaw ma arangalaga ma Henry Belesam ma Arulem agi director mesudra arangalgela Ari Greek Spice ma arangalgela Adamei Meledang Tamol ma algela April ma Epil kamiu na obas angkliw mo subdra arbepirgamiu ma aradat marangalaga solay memedakay ngesew iritial kamaldil tirgel adatem lo hodiakan madungang clear iritial subda mo subes eti ibomodangay isolay emay medakay ngesew sel sils edakaswes edakay ngesew iritial kamaldil tirgel adatem lo hodiakal sabril el meritial el kamaldil asbir ding maya un surir el mora momsa armangsong el gray mariur ma al-upe ang uwadal at el-maura cordon. Kumpman misulang, sayan, ramangasong karay mariur. Mutit ya tara subdra o sisiul gamaldil ma luwaiset ya subdra o tobdra ngi ay blug turuman ngirmang ma el mesubdra ako lela matlap rumong el ngalgela opkal rumong ma rumong ililaw el nosme ersera tru medel kapsingil ongelon mulbuidel arrak abatangela ngara morgam na motrgok len motobdra ewal kapsingil ongewidel buidel arrak ratutaw el dimo omagamaldira parau funeral home el moswelba e moraket malwasya gimsubde olngitra haradamam ra aplara au ospay era ang iwalan mokma mematagayng sewda alim erityal albul ma kimsubdra arangalgela abilung turyong satsko iyong ma arangalgel ma adangal eos rulugd ma arangalgela anemari Moses marangalgela nguram ab marangalgela ngirmang ngiraybay ma arangalgela idub ngiradikel marangalgela olgril tewid ra Lorenza olgril ma Amistiga olgril luasemo subdra arbe pirgami marangal mematagayng sew ma arangalgela mira Iraybay rasipong klaulat luasemo subdra arangalga mematagayng sew marangalgela lie pribilkul marangalgela amatrat kyosi marangalgela ngertao itoong era speaker Noah itoong luasemo subdra arudam ma arangalga mematagayng sew marangalgela obak rumong Kim subdra arangalgela opkal rumong Kim subdra arangalgela asyang irikl marangalgela aurmakl debelbot luase memdagayng sew aleo siao ma arangalgel mo subdra arbekladat memdagayng sew ngiraybay krekoryo rong ma odel adraybay luase mo subdra arbekladat marangal garaybay sola memdagayng sew togupet spedek amora adalbayra ay eti Dwight Alexander luase mo subdra aradat memda limdagayng sew tel albul ya ilak spedek amora atul adedelil el mokmong mkas pesubda memdagayng sew dirgel dimlakan mutunga clear emtangel mukma kotakawat era ablara au ospay rang iwal memdagayng sew matako mal msulang errokui edagayusing eboda kapate ertial sils metagayng sew sign iblug truman irmang Mutul teatara subdra osisiul kodal matia subdra khmaldil ma omagadal plans el oltobdringia angirai derbeil masasingi arurang ebirai derbeil bringi masami iblug truman irmang ma asar kapurul denismat el mesubdra rokuil edmamal ngara aikal pekl bulun mokmang atar gidra matlap rumong amlosme erseratru medel kapsingil ongelol mulpuir el arrak ma abadangel ngkal Lada ngaramor kem la motrok la khmeldil el morngira onge imlurior el lewal kapsingil onge widel puir el arrak abadangela angaramor ka mangdimo mangmeldira a funeral home el mo oimi traswelb e mo mdakhr ngarmit ma ki malulngit dar mamal ngara aikal nilbelu luasem kaspesubde e memda desat atarkit el mo adibusrat longolet ma ngarlong eng spadala ngiraw regata jakrungul Luasemo o subdra dadama arangalga meima dagayng sew iritial masang yakuk ngarar teng spadala at urkachu shiro ma arangalgel amle etililaw sabet kel marangalgel amle etililaw plorang ngirablos ma Lydia ngirablos Pastor Jacob ngirablos ma arangalgel sakuma ma arangalgel ardaor ma arangalgel olongalel yakuk ngiwal eng spadala iblu kulturuman ngirmang ma 11-6 Kwazalin ngirmang ma matrangiul Xavier ngirameong miokang Alfonso Gregorio ngirmang Lorenza Orgril Mystica Pedro Ruth ngirmang Augusta Pultataw Happy ngirakasaw Norman ngirakasaw Christina Tulob Jonathan Sabo Pultataw, Carson Silil, Diana Siang, Tin Irarikel, Sabet Hideki, Ilapsis Irakasaw, ma Clarence Masayos. Malkayo kang spadala Arklay Rafael Pao ngirmang, ma ngiratakaw Pipiano Mat, ma Sibong Klolat, ma Francis Liev. Kung esareng spadala Aradab A. Ananias Pultataw, marangalgala ayuki wong hotel marangalgala amle tukur abas esola ngaitrai eng spadala arangalgala tuat matul ila apis kerngel Marcelus Alfonsa Pintorio Sarkabul Dennis Math Elmis Masubd Melnguis Masubd Daudalin Masubd Emolin Masubd Pubeu Masubd Nancy Ngirarikel Humiana rungul ma a Shelby Masami. Ya kuk oreor ang spadala rangem Miser Ragamsik, Ebirai Dervei Elbrengei Masami, Masahiro Daniel, Sofia Sid, Tira Iteil Koreti Erbai, Ma Justa Peloy, Joyce Antonio, Keana Masud, Lucia Yano, Alen Takada, Magdalena Keorung, Dwight Masami, Augustin Masayos, Ras Masayos, Ethel Arurang, Eileen Arurang, Hawk, Pei Arurang, Steve Arurang, Matthew Arurang, Marciano Rungul, Clifford Masami, Calvin Masami, Allen Takada, Spice Saguma, Jesse Saguma, Erdialul Rumong, Matlab Jesse Rumong, Ma Armstrong Develbot. Yakuk Miyuns, ang spadala ngirongor Ricky Mool, Ma Dili Klip Ngeream Rulugut, Wasemo Sudra Adat Marangal Emertial Masang. Yabililyo, ang spadala Smau Augustin Meseral, Ngiraki dele Joe Ngiramul, Ma Diraki dele El Marta Ngiramul, Wasemo Sudra Adat Ma Arangal Gertial Masang. Yakuk ngayaw, ang spadala Au Erbelau Lorenzo Edward, Ma Adil Belau Luasay Maymeda Kaingiseo Ritial Masang. Kohmal sulang el ngargi amodiakal sab el may edit galat krang lungu ma rubak dios lol mol molo makal tangat tergid rogui sa ni rider bay masasinge arurang iblu turuman ngirmang ma asar kabur Dennis Math tial subdel mul reng stringi adiakal spedel ma adiakal tigingel malub engul de swel atias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi e haraorngi kohmal mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
You like beer? Well, there's a new beer in town called Asahi Super Dry. Its taste bud makes you feel fresh and dry. After 2 or 3 cans, you want to get up and cha-cha-cha. Okay, so let's go for it. What are we waiting for, man? Asahi Super Dry, here we come! Asahi Super Dry is sold throughout Palau, a Karaguchi Island beer.
WWFM is owned and operated by DS Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on 2 different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7 with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
You like beer? Well, there's a new beer in town called Asahi Super Dry. Its taste bud makes you feel fresh and dry. After 2 or 3 cans, you want to get up and cha-cha-cha. Okay, so let's go for it. What are we waiting for, man? Asahi Super Dry, here we come! Asahi Super Dry is sold throughout Palau, a Karaguchi Island beer.
Hello, Palau. This is DS Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
Are you tired of overflowing bins and irregular waste collection? WWF Waste Collection Company got you covered. We offer residential waste pickup for only $22 a month and commercial waste pickup for only $33 a month. Why choose us? We offer affordable rates, prompt and reliable services, and we are also able to curate our services to meet your needs. You can contact us at 488-2254, 775-1509, or 775-2765, or email us at bubblethewastecollectors@gmail.com. Let's work together for a cleaner and greener future.
Tired of that city life? Looking for a place that's quiet at night? Well, look no further. Dia's apartments are now for rent. 1 and 2 bedrooms are available in the safety and security of the Hilltop in Gurmid, located on the outskirts of Orior. Call 488-5771 to schedule a viewing today.
Dia's Apartment, the right place for you.
Ali, ngariya malor udu subde de katememel mera radio station. Madagulingit mamay gin masukaw. Makot, egdilu si aspren, eloya a cellphone mal open den wargaw. Aisen muk mungomur oingrang momrekor oingrang. Etelat times ratal si sesayan ringi. Esen ringil either moya ka fax mora 488-4420. Malub ke sendringi loya ka email mora WWFM Palau@gmail.com. Ega mama recordringi erulia invoice sendringi le korkau ya uriul ega me harau. Ali malia moves loya de guardau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maloba ngania harma raspedem ya ki call segi the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomrek mru raspedem ko mal sulang.
WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours. Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube.
Oisine. What do you mean, Oisine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
Coming down to the wire in Washington, I'm John Saucier, Fox News. The Trump administration downplaying concerns from critics over Medicaid cuts in the Republican sweeping budget bill. Fox's Aaron Halpern reports from the White House.
North Carolina Republican Senator Tom Tillis is wrong about the One Big Beautiful Bill betraying President Trump's promise to not cut Medicaid. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt says.
This bill protects Medicaid, as I laid out for you, for those who truly deserve this program, the needy, pregnant women, children, sick Americans who physically cannot work.
Tillis voted against a procedural step to advance the legislation over the weekend, warning provisions will push people off Medicaid. Hours later, the North Carolina Republican announced he is not running for a third term next year. At the White House, Jared Halpern, Fox News.
Several cities in and around Los Angeles County are canceling and postponing Independence Day celebrations because of ongoing immigration enforcement raids. Fox's Kristen Goodwin has more.
The city of Huntington Park announcing a 30-day pause on certain public summer events, citing growing disruptions caused by increased ICE activity in the region. The city of Whittier canceling its 4th of July Freedom Walk. Los Angeles County's Gloria Molina Grand Park Summer Block Party, which was set for Friday, has been postponed over what organizers call ongoing circumstances impacting the region. Other cities that have canceled or postponed events include Bell Gardens and Cudahy. At least 20 elected officials joining L.A. Mayor Karen Bass in calling for an end to the raids. Meanwhile, the Justice Department announcing it's suing L.A. over policies it says interfere with the Trump administration's enforcement of federal immigration laws. Kristen Goodwin, Fox News.
Kilmar Bregos Garcia's lawyer is asking a judge if he can stay in jail. There are concerns that he could be deported if he's released to await his trial on human smuggling. A federal judge in Tennessee ruled today. America's listening to Fox News. The jury in the sex trafficking trial of music mogul Sean Diddy Combs has begun its deliberations. Here's Fox's Colonel Scott with more.
The 8 men and 4 women who will decide Combs' fate got the case after a couple of hours of instruction on the law. They must decide if Combs is guilty of a count of racketeering and 2 counts each of sex trafficking by force, fraud, or coercion, and transportation for prostitution. Combs maintains he is not guilty of those charges, with his defense lawyer saying sex at drug-fueled parties referred to as freak-offs were consensual. The jury will take into account 7 weeks of video and other evidence as they deliberate. Combs faces up to life in prison. Gernal Scott, Fox News.
An 82-year-old Colorado woman who was injured in a Molotov cocktail attack on demonstrators in support of Israeli hostages this month has now died, according to court documents filed. Karen Diamond died as a result of the severe injuries that she suffered in the attack, the Boulder County District Attorney's Office said in a statement. Mohammed Solomon was indicted last week on 12 hate crime counts in the June 1st attack in downtown Boulder. He's accused of trying to kill the 8 people who were hurt when he threw Molotov cocktails. The Egyptian national had been living in the United States illegally with his family, according to federal authorities. And President Trump following through on a promise he made in the Middle East by signing an executive order lifting U.S. sanctions on Syria.
Reaffirming his belief that the Syrian people deserve a future of safety and prosperity. This policy reflects the president's conviction that American leadership can unlock new paths to regional stability.
The voice there, State Department spokeswoman Tammy Bruce, also telling reporters sanctions will remain for the former president of Syria, Bashar al-Assad, and his associates. This comes after almost several months the Assad regime collapsed under the weight of the civil war there in Syria. I'm John Saucier, and this is Fox News.